guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be swatching these products. This is from YesStyle. Thank you for sending me this, and this is actually a collaboration with them. So they sent me these products, these lip tints, for a product review for their campaign na free cruelty makeup products. Cruelty-free means that this products was developed without having any test on animals, and this is also my first time trying this brand or product. So, isaswatch natin siya later. But before tayo mag-swatch, let me explain muna kung ano yung YesStyle sa mga hindi nakakaalam. YesStyle is an online shopping application, K-fashion and K-beauty siya. So, if mahilig kayo sa mga Korean stuffs, marami sila ditong mga damit. Meron silang shoes, accessories, skincare, makeups, and meron din silang for men. So, check this out guys. Libre lang din yung pag-install or download na kanilang application. And kung bibili kayo, you can also use my code. Lalagay ko siya dito, LoveBianca19, para magkaroon kayo or maka-avail kayo ng discounts. You can use my code. So, ayun lang naman. Mag-swatch na tayo. If you're ready, let's hop into the video. bottle. So, makikita nyo na agad kung anong color and shade niya. Plus, meron silang nakalagay na sticker dito sa baba. Kaya malalaman nyo na agad kung anong number niya. Like, ito, nakalagay dito, N1, N2, N3, N4, and N5. So, dito sa N1 or Blink, for me, meron siyang pagka-red velvet color. Then, yung next sa kanya, same lang naman sila ng color, but mas dark lang tong N2. Then, itong N3 is like, meron siyang pagka-color violet or plum pag in-apply siya sa lips. Then, itong N4, color pink siya, and itong N5 is color peach. And for me, ang pinaka-bet ko sa 5 shades na to is itong N4 and N5 kasi sila yung pinaka-may lightest color. Dahil hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga dark colors. So, ito yung pinaka-bet ko, itong dalawa. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. And meron kayong bagong nalaman sa akin, itong YesStyle. Kung ako sa inyo, i-download nyo na yan. And don't forget to use my code LoveBianca19 para magkaroon kayo ng discounts. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on my next one. Bye!